Hello guys, so this is me working on my castor seed. I told you earlier that I'll be starting the sales of castor oil. This is homemade. I made this with my hand. I'll be making the oil with my hand. So this is castor seed. This is what I did already. I already sun dried it, and then I have a video of where I sun dried it and the likes. And then I'm taking off the shaft. This is part of the shaft and the bad ones. These are bad ones. They won't work. They don't have anything in them. And then this is a batch of what I got. This is one batch. I have another batch here in this container. There's another batch of cleaned seeds. These are the seeds. And then I'm still working on some in this container. There's still some in this container that I'm still working on. And then, so guys, I'm not done on this. By the time I'm done on this and I want to start making the castor oil, I will definitely upload the video and keep you guys posted so that you guys can see that this is not mixed castor oil. This is original. So if you want to pre-order, guys, please send me a message. I'm working on my website already, but you guys can send me a message so that I can take your orders down, and then by the time the website is on and by the time the website is up and everything is set, you'll be able to place your order and get your product. We ship everywhere. We'll be shipping worldwide, so you guys can pre-order now. Thank you. I love you guys. After the whole peeling and packing and everything, this is all I got from this bowl. Okay, this is part of the shaft, so don't assume that this is the shaft I removed. As you can see, same thing from this old custard bowl. This custard bowl, it was full when I started. I had a whole pack of it, and this is what I got as the seed. So majorly everything was shaft. Don't blame your castor oil producers when they tell you a small bottle is 3,000, 5,000 naira, or maybe $5, $10. Don't blame them, please, because even this one I have here, by the time I'm done with the processes, you guys will be shocked at the quantity of oil you will be able to get from this. Come along, let's see what we get out of this. As I have my pot on fire, I want it to dry. Once it dries, I will be pouring. Can you see there's water in it because I just washed it again. I use this pot solely for castor oil making, so I'll be pouring my castor seed inside. I'm actually feeling this. Normally I would have roasted this twice, but I see no point in roasting it twice. Don't worry about the base, it will come off when we blend. We're actually not going to use this, so I'll be using that. And then let me just turn this over, guys. I'll be turning it around. I'll just be doing this until it's roasted. Now when I'm roasting it, I'm careful not to over roast it, because if you over roast it, you may end up not having everything, will end up getting burnt. So what I do is, once I start perceiving the smell of the castor seed, I'll stop. The major reason why we are roasting this is to remove the poison in it, because castor seed is very poisonous. Even one seed like this can send one to the hospital. So castor seed is very poisonous. So I'll be doing that until I'm satisfied with the roasting. So guys, this is my castor seed in my blender, and then I'll be adding a little bit of water. I'm using warm water for reasons unknown. I just feel like I should use warm water, so I added some water and then I'll blend. Guys, I have my silk material here for sealing, and then I will just take, this is my blended castor See, this is how best my blender can go, but I don't know if you take it to a mill, maybe you'll get a smoother version, but this is the best my blender can do. So I'll be pouring just a little into the sieve, and then I'll go ahead and squeeze it out, squeeze all the juice out. So guys, this is all I got this is the milk I got from it. And then guys, this is what it looks like after some time. I left it off, and you have to leave it and let it cook. So we're still not done. You have to leave it until you start seeing oil. So I'm going to reduce this heat now, so that, because it's already getting burnt. If you get burnt though, no matter how, but at least so that it doesn't get too burnt.